This is Sarah, and she loves the water, like a little dog splashing in a pot. In this video, we'll show you the first of 5 simple exercises, so you too can help your baby learn to love being in the water. Okay, let's get started. This 5-step exercise is suitable for children up to 2 years old, but it's especially good for infants under 6 months. First, let's look at the proper way to hold your baby. Support the child under the shoulders. Place your thumbs on either side of the chest. Let your remaining fingers rest on the shoulder blades. Be careful not to squeeze too tightly under the shoulders so that blood can flow freely to your baby's arms. Always keep an eye on your baby's face. If your baby keeps crying, it's best to stop and try again another day. However, if you enter the water with a smile, your child will sense that and have much more fun, just like Sarah does. Sarah is playing with a toy in this video. Generally, it's recommended to avoid toys in initial phase, so the baby can focus on the water experience. But if a toy helps your baby to feel more comfortable, that's okay too. For step 2, gently sway your child from side to side, so they can feel the water resistance on each side. Although it may seem simple, the exercise is essential for getting comfortable in the water. You can find more challenging exercises at Swimy.org, including a 10-week plan to help your child adapt to baby swimming. Next, walk about 15 feet backwards so the child can feel the water resistance on their stomach, always maintaining eye contact. Then walk a few steps forward again, so the child continues to feel the resistance on their back. As you can see in our footage, there was a slight contact between the knees and the baby's feet. The gentle touch helps mobilize the baby's legs. However, it doesn't have to be done with your knees. Another person can also lightly tickle your child's feet instead. That brings us to the end of the exercise. The goal is achieved. Your child has become familiar with the water resistance. As mentioned, this is only one of 5 core exercises. At Swimy.org, you can find the other core exercises as well as many preparatory exercises and common mistakes. All the information is in the video description. Like this video and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.